Hello coders, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to take your coding skills to the next level? Today I will guide you through the essential steps to set up an industrial level project that stand out, perfect for your engineering projects or job portfolio. So without wasting the time, let's start. Before setting up, let's see the overview of this project. So as you can see here, the project is this is just for educational purpose. Okay, so here's the home section, right? So it will animate something like this. If I scroll down, then you can see here all the things are responsive. Also it is adjustable in a mobile device as well as the PC, right? So if you scroll down, then this is also responsive, this is also responsive, right? These all are responsive. Now after this, if you move to the about section, then here also you'll find everything responsive. If you move to the mobile device, then it will shrink down like this. So it's great, right? Even the size of the letter also becomes smaller. So this is the job section. If you hover here, then that will scroll up. Now this is the job section. Now this is the contact section. The interesting part in this contact section is if you send the message, the actual message will be sent to the email, right? In my email. So you can link to your email also. It is quite easy. I'll share you how to do that. So after this login form is there, user, then user will log in. So let's log in the user. So write here the email address and password and login. Okay, so if the user is login, the name is displayed here, right? And let's log out the user. Now after this, if you move back to the uh, main section, then okay, after this, if you log in admin, you have to write here the admin username, and here you should write a password. So just log in. Here you can see the registered user, only one user is registered. Okay, if I copy this and if I paste here, then just log it out. So here let me show you. Okay, now here, suppose you want to register a new user, then you go in a registration section, and in sign up section you click, and here is a registration form. For example, you want to register a new user, you simply write here that Jane Gupta, and email address jane@gmail.com. Phone number can be any random phone number, and cover letter I need or job. Experience, you can write 0 to 1 years of experience. Vacancy, anything. Choose any image from your PC. So here I will choose one image, let it be. And in photo section also I'll select one random image. Let's select this. Now just register. So a new user is already registered here, right? Now the Jane will register here and login. So just click on login, the login here, right? Now if you see in admin panel, if you refresh it, okay, so again we have to log in here. Just quickly log in and just log in. Now two users are here, right? One is Saeed Afaq Ahmed, one is Jane Gupta. So these are the things. You can even download the resume. It is actually a company website, right, where the company can shortlist the resume of the user. So this is how it is made. If you delete, then the user will go out or deleted. So this is the thing. Now one main thing is that let's log out from the admin panel. You can change the password. The password for the email address is 12345. You can click here and change the password also. Here old password you write, new password, then change. Okay, it's quite easy. So let's go back. simply. Okay, so here now all the things are working so perfectly. Now let's start the setup. To set up, you need to install a XAMPP. So here you type download XAMPP for PC. Press enter. Now here you will see the first link. Just click on the download XAMPP, and here in the first link here you click on the download 64-bit on your system. As I have already downloaded, so you will see something like this. After downloading, you just turn on Apache, this one first one, and the MySQL second one on your system, and rest of all should be as it is. Now after this, minimize it. After minimizing, you open a new tab and click on this link. This link I will provide you in somewhere in the video, or else you can look the link and type as it is on your browser. Now press enter. Now after this Burak name folder is there. Now click on these three dots and download it. Now it will take some time to download. Just wait for that. Now the download has begun. Just wait for a while. The download is about to complete. So yes, the download is been completed. Now you will go in a file section and locate this download. Here you can see a download file. So you click on extract all and extract this file which we have downloaded right now. Just wait until the download extraction is done. So it will take few seconds to extract these files. Now just wait for a while. Okay, the extraction is being completed. Now you can see here the file is successfully extracted and still processing. Now you just copy this file. After copying, you move to the C folder in PC. Click on PC. Now in a C folder. After that, you search for the XAMPP. Here you see a XAMPP. Just double click on it. After that, you click on htdoc. Now here you paste this document. It will take some time to paste the document on htdoc folder. Now our folder is ready with the name Burak and some ID. We'll rename this. We'll just write Burak. Now our file is ready. Now after this, we'll go in a tab, and here we create a new tab. Now here we write localhost and slash, and we'll write here Burak. Now why we write Burak here is because the folder name is Burak. Why we write two times means because there are two folders with the Burak name. Now press enter. After you press enter, you can see here a beautiful interface will appear, but still you cannot log in or register. Let's see. User. Okay, it says that base table or view not found. 1146 web royal carrier does not exist. It means that the SQL file is not connected. So to connect the SQL file, you need to open the PHP myadmin. So localhost and slash dashboard you type here. After that, you click on PHP myadmin. After clicking the PHP myadmin, something like this will appear. This is nothing but a database. Now in a database, you click on new, and here whatever is given, web royal. So you write here the database name as web royal. Now create it. Okay, the database web royal is successfully created. Now here you go in a import section, and import section choose file. Now just wait. In the choose file section, you can either visit web royal or the file you have downloaded. So this is the file you must have downloaded on your system. So click on Burak. Now search for the web royal here. So as you can see here, web royal is here. Just click on it and just press open. After that, scroll down and press on go. It will take some time to execute the query, so be patient and wait. So the query are executed successfully. After that, we will move to the about section once again and refresh the page. Now there is no more error. Now if you locate the database, you can see here the admin users are there with the username Burak Consultancy, password 12345. So, and the carrier username is Sayyid Afaq Ahmed, phone number is this much, and the email address is sayyid@gmail.com. We simply write those email here. So sayyid@gmail.com, and the password is whatever the password given we will take here. So this is the password. So just copy it and paste it over here and log in. After login, the user is successfully logged in, as you can see here. Now if you want to log out, you can log out the user and all the things are working properly. If you want to sign up the new user, you can now sign up the new user as well. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I feel motivated to create such type of content for you.